guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going out. It's gonna be a fun drive. See, the Panita is there with us. Dodo will also be joining. We are going to Azadhind Dhaba, West Bengal, Gopalpur, and group of Ecosports are going. Dodo is here, he is coming. Our plan is we are going to meet at second Hooghly Bridge toll plaza. I don't know how many Ecosports are coming, maybe 15 Ecosports will be joining. It's gonna be a fun drive. I need to wash my car. Petrol pump fueling. Also let me know, I am using a titanium plus. Okay, and this is a Canon rich color. My car, I have 6 airbags, so I cannot use any seat covers. Now please suggest me, if you order it Ford, they provide you with this thing, seat covers. Suggest me, shall I put on beige color seat covers or a black color seat cover, so I can order it and I get it from Ford accessories. Okay, after 6 months we are hitting the highway. First time with this Ecosport, and it's weekly twice a lockdown implemented in West Bengal. So yesterday it was a lockdown and today is Sunday. I'm obnoxiously missing you, and you're not too, and it always haunts me. It always haunts me. I try to make you understand. I have reached and waiting for the gang. I think the first Ecosport has arrived. Yeah, I can see the gang in the lineup. Yeah, to Canon Bridge. Let me go out and check. So I can find 3 cars have come up. What's your name? Shayato. Hello. This is Shayato, and this is his Ecosport. I can find it very beautifully decorated, what I can see from outside, and we will go further in more detail. This is this brother's car. What is your name? Devdev. And what I find is most attractive is his number plate. Fantastic. The gang is lining up. I can find another Ecosport is coming. This is also a Canon Ridge. So here the cars are lining up. So this is Ford?
Yes,
Aspire. And you are?
Meenakshi.
Meenakshi. Hello Meenakshi.
Hi.
This is another. Hello brother.
Hi, Abhishek.
And this is Abhishek's car. And another Canon Ridge. What's your name?
Ronojoy.
Roman. This is Ronojoy's car. See, it's a big line now. The gang of Ecosport is here. Just see the lineup. The convoy is going. Go. পৌঁছাবে। Yeah, finally I can see the highway, the empty highway, empty road. Cruising. Have you guys noticed that after wearing a mask, we tend not to open our lips and talk. We talk little different way. Don't know why. Dankuni Toll Plaza. Now I'm finding there is another stop. So there is another stop. All the Ecosportians here. The more I'm driving this car, the more I'm falling in love with this car. Just see how beautiful it's looking. Gang of Ecosquads.
Didn't wanna make things harder. I'm already paid.
ব্যাপক লাগছে, একটু বৃষ্টি হয়ে গেলে আরো ভালো, একটু বৃষ্টি হলে আরো ভালো লাগবে।
I try to make you understand. This isn't how it's meant to be. I'm not the one that's holding on to something that's already gone.
কি করছিস?
Sanitizer.
চন্দ্রমিত্র ভাবে খেয়ে নে।
না আমি কি বোকা?
Right now the time is 4 o'clock in the evening. We're returning, done our lunch. It was a lovely meeting. It was a lovely group. We wish to meet up soon and enjoy the scene.
'Cause I can even think straight. I feel just like I'm next to